Let's see how to configure TP-Link router TL-WR820N. Now connect the power adapter to the Wi-Fi router. Now connect internet cable to both router and ONU. Now go to mobile and connect to the new Wi-Fi router. What? No money. Wait, without nothing. This is your Wi-Fi router password. It's not in. Yep. Go to Google Chrome. Then type 192.168.0.1. Then you need to set up any password for your router admin panel. Now select your connection type. I have IPS connection, that's why I select PPPoE. Then you need to enter a username and password, which is provided by the internet service provider. You can also change the Wi-Fi name and password if you want. I have not changed the Wi-Fi name and password. See? Now internet is connected and it is working.